The molecule that I chose to report on is pentane. The initial discovery and first recorded uses of pentane occurred during the late 19th century. Pentane is derived from petroleum, natural gas, and crude oil. Pentane is a simple, straight-chain molecule consisting of 5 carbon atoms, all singly bonded, and 12 hydrogen atoms. Pentane is an isomer, which means it has the unique ability of existing in multiple different structures while keeping the same molecular formula. The different structural isomer branches of pentane are isopentane, which the skeletal structure is right here, and neopentane, the skeletal structure is right here. Here are some structural drawings of pentane. The skeletal structure is here, the 3D structure of pentane here, and the zigzag structure here, which shows the abbreviated carbon atoms. Pentane is a clear, colorless liquid with a strong odor that smells of petroleum. It also has an extremely low boiling point. Because of its low boiling point, pentane is able to evaporate into a vapor at room temperature. Pentane is insoluble with water, since water is polar and pentane is nonpolar. This simple organic molecule is also classified as a volatile molecule due to its high flammability when mixed with air as a vapor. Pentane oxidizes to form carbon dioxide and water with sufficient activation energy. The reaction is shown right here. Pentane also undergoes free radical chlorination, which is a form of halogenation, which is a chemical reaction that involves the addition of one or more halogens to a compound. This reaction is unselective, which means the changes of enthalpy will have little effect on the activation energy. This reaction produces a mixture of 1, 2, and 3 chloropentanes, and the reaction of 1 chloropentane is right here. Pentane can be burned and used as fuel. It is also one of the primary blowing agents used to make polystyrene foam. Examples of that polystyrene foam are those little styrofoam packing peanuts, or styrofoam coolers, to-go boxes. A more large-scale use would be building insulation materials. Pentane is also commonly used in the lab due to its convenient high evaporation tendencies at room temperature. At the worst, pentane acts as an irritant when a person comes into high levels of exposure. So it can cause a burning sensation of the eyes and skin or irritate the respiratory system. Other than that, pentane does not really pose a concernable toxic threat. It is, however, labeled somewhat dangerous because of its flammability and risk of explosion. Some interesting facts about pentane. Pentane is a solvent that extracts aroma compounds from alcoholic beverages. It's also present in hop oil, which is used to flavor beer. It's used as an herbal sleep remedy, and it's also used for its natural anti-inflammatory properties. And also, pentane can produce general anesthesia. That concludes my report on pentane. Thank you for watching.